To access the email settings in QuickTracker, you have two options. You can access them through the main menu by going to Preferences, or you can use the convenient shortcut located in the Navigator panel on the left side of the QuickTracker main window. Both options will take you directly to the email settings, where you can configure the email account QuickTracker will use to send documents and other information to your customers. Once the email settings window is open, go to How to Set Up Email. There, you'll find step-by-step instructions for configuring QuickTracker with several different email service providers. Simply select your email provider and follow the instructions provided to properly configure your email account with QuickTracker. In this example, we will use Gmail as our email service provider, since it is one of the most widely used email services today. Simply follow the step-by-step instructions provided in QuickTracker. When you open your Google account security settings, make sure you know your Google account password, since Google may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. Once you are signed in, go to App Passwords. Create a new app password and enter a name that will help you identify the application using it, such as QuickTracker. After you create it, Google will generate an app password for you. Copy this password and paste it into the appropriate password field in the QuickTracker email settings window, as shown in this video. Remember, this app password is specifically for QuickTracker. Do not enter your regular Gmail password into QuickTracker. Once you close the window displaying the app password, you will not be able to view that password again. Make sure you copy it before closing the window and paste it into the appropriate field in QuickTracker. Now, close the How to Set Up Email window and return to the email settings. Enter your Gmail address in the sender email field. For the sender name, you can use either your personal name or your company name, depending on how you want your emails to appear to your customers. Most importantly, in the password field, enter the app password you created in your Google account for the same Gmail address you entered in the sender email field. Remember, use the app password generated by Google, not your regular Gmail password. Click Test Settings to make sure your email configuration is working correctly. If the test is successful, click Save to store your settings. Your email account is now configured and ready to use with QuickTracker. Now that your email settings are configured, you can send estimates and invoices directly to your customers from QuickTracker. There's no need to go through the extra steps of saving the document as a PDF, opening an external email application, attaching the file, and then sending it manually. With QuickTracker, the process is faster, simpler, and more convenient, allowing you to send professional estimates and invoices directly from the application. In this example, we are using one of the estimates we created earlier. When the Send Email window opens, you have the flexibility to use a customer's email address already stored in the database or enter a different email address if needed. You can also customize the body of the email, allowing you to write your own message to the customer before sending the estimate. QuickTracker's built-in email feature gives you another powerful tool to save time, simplify your workflow, and reduce the need for paper by allowing you to communicate with your customers directly from QuickTracker. Now, let's take a look at the email your customer will receive. As you can see, the email has a clean and professional appearance, and the attached PDF estimate is also professionally formatted, giving your customers a polished presentation of your business. Thank you for choosing QuickTracker to help manage your business.